All right, now let's evaluate this. We are given 1 plus square root of 5 on 2 or exponent 6. So let's get started. So solution. All right, so we should let what we have in the bracket here be a variable. So let 1 plus square root of 5 on 2 be x. Okay, it means that if I plug in x, my x will be, what we have here will be x to the power 6. So that's what we are after. Okay, now we are going to combine some terms here. Okay, all right, so x to the power 6 can be written as x to the power 5 times x to the power 1. You can also see x to the power 6 the same as x to the power 4 times x to the power 2. X to the power 6 can be x to the power 3 times x to the power 3 and many more. Okay, so let's see how we can get the answer. All right, okay, so let's focus on this. 1 plus 5 on 2 equals x. Right, so what we are going to do is to do cross multiplication. I'll make this side over 1. So 1 times 1 plus 5, have 1 plus 5 equals 2x. All right, so we have 2x equals 1 plus 5. Now let's join this one to this. 2x minus 1 equals to square root of 5. All right, so let's go ahead as we square both sides. So let's square both sides. So this side will be 4x squared, okay, minus 4x plus 1. So this one is behaving like this one. A minus b all squared, which is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. All right, so equals to, so this one will cancel this 5. Okay, so we have 4x squared minus 4x, so plus 1 minus 5 equals to 0. So 4x squared minus 4x, so this side is minus 4 equals to 0. Now let's observe this one carefully. We have 4, 4, 12. We can divide 2 by 4. So can make it over 4 or 4. So this side will cancel. I will leave it x squared. This one will cancel, minus x. This one will cancel, minus 1 equal to 0. All right, so let's make x squared a subject. So we have x squared plus x plus 1. Okay. All right, now remember we are to solve for x to the power 6. Okay. All right, and we have x squared. So let's go again. So let's square both sides again, since we are after x to the power 6. So this side will be x to the power 4. Okay, so we have x squared plus 2x So 1 squared is 1. Okay. All right. So we have x to the power 4. So remember, we have x squared. Okay. So this is x squared. And x squared is the same as x plus 1. Okay. X squared is x plus 1. So in place of x squared, I'll put x plus 1. Okay. Plus 2x plus 1. So we have s to the power 4. Because so this side will be 3x plus 2. All right. So if we go again by squaring both sides, this side will be 8. Okay. But remember, x to the power 6 can be written as x to the power 4 times x to the power 2. Okay. So now that we know x squared, that is here, okay, and x to the power 4, we can put them together. So x to the power 6 is the same as x to the power 4 times x to the power 2. So let's go. So x to the power 4 times x to the power 2, which is x to the power 6. Okay. So x to the power 4 is here, 3x plus 2. Okay. Then x squared, x squared, x plus 1. This is x squared, x plus 1. So we have x plus 1, which is the same as x to the power 6. Okay. So let's expand this. So we have 3x squared, okay, plus 3x plus 2x plus 2 equals x to the power 6. So we have 3x squared plus 5x plus 2 equals x to the power 6. Remember, x squared is given. So x plus 1 is x squared. So let's do substitution again. So we have x plus 1 plus 5x plus 2 equals x to the power 6. So we have 3x plus 3 plus 5x plus 2 equals x to the power 6. So my x to the power 6 is the same as 3 plus 5, have 8x plus 5. Okay, so x to the power 6, 8x. So let's go. We have x as what? We have x as 1 plus root 5 on 2. So 8 times 1 plus root 5 on 2 plus 5. So x to the power 6, 2 here, 4. So we have 4 out, 1 plus 5 plus 5. So x to the power 6 is 4 plus 4 5 plus 5. x to the power 6, 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 4 root 5. Alright, so x to the power 6, which is 1 plus root 5 on 2 all to the power 6 is given by 9 plus 4 root 5. Alright, so that's the answer.